Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can delete currency pairs in MetaTrader 5 app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 app. Then after that, make sure you are in codes. Now go to the top right corner and click on the pen. And as you can see here on the top right corner, we have a trash icon. So click on it and you can choose the currency pair that you want to delete. So let's say, for example, USD RUB, US dollar versus Russian ruble. So click on it. And let's say, for example, USD try. Click on it also. Then click on the trash icon. And as you can see here, USD try has been deleted and the USD ruble also deleted. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.